Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Fathers, as an example, a lovely kid, Pragya Anand is going to tell an English story. Let us all welcome her.
The crow. Once a crow was feeling very thirsty. He